Morning routine. It is 7 a.m. here in LA. I just woke up. Used to wake up every day, very regimented at 6 a.m. and I started to notice that I was more checking off everything and thinking I needed all of that to set myself up for a good day. I don't know if you know this saying, sometimes you need to slow down to go faster. I don't know, my body just needed waking up a little later, just easing a little bit more in the day. That's what I've been doing. I've just been waking up a little later and my cortisol has not been so high. Anyway, I'm going to get ready. I really need to take a shower in the morning, otherwise I don't wake up, and I'm going to take you guys through my routine.
So the first thing I will do is brush my teeth. I sleep with my mouth open, so I need to do this first thing. I don't know how people can do this later in their morning routine. Then I turn on the shower. I always take a shower in the morning, even if it's just for 2 minutes. I feel the warm water just helps my body slowly wake up and release any soreness and tightness. I always finish off with a 30-second cold shower. This is one of the best tools to wake up your body and get ready for the day. Wellness doesn't have to be expensive. It is all about incorporating these small hacks that can improve your immune system and health, and that are completely free. I dry myself off and get ready to do my skincare and makeup routine. I am adding some sea moss probiotic face mist, followed by an hydration serum, some day cream, and of course sunscreen. I really love this one from Summer Fridays because it's so thin and almost feels like a serum on my skin. It works really well under makeup. Then I get my natural makeup look started. I actually saw this little makeup trick on TikTok to put the foundation on your hand palm, because this is the only place where your pores don't absorb any product and liquid, so everything will end up on your brush and you won't waste anything. For contour, I just ordered this one from Mario and I'm excited to try it. I'm not sure if I got the correct color, but I guess we're just going with it today. Then I'm going to add my favorite blush from Beauty Counter, and whoops, I dropped everything and my nail is in there. I don't know why, I can never keep my makeup in good condition. Then this highlighter I've been obsessed with. It's from Westman Atelier and it is the most dewy, beautiful, shine light highlighter I have used in a while. I can definitely recommend this. Then I'm going to add some little mascara and lip balm, and I am ready for the day. Then we're going to pick an outfit for the day. I am teaching Pilates later today, so I'm gonna go for a black set from Aloe and this cute yellow cardigan from Levi's. Put my socks on. Apparently there are a few accounts online that are following my feet, which I think it's so weird, but hey, I guess they're getting a scene here. Katsu just came back from his walk with Mac, so I'm gonna give him a little attention and a big hug. Honestly, I can say your life has changed after getting a dog. It has brought so much joy, peace, and love to our household. Then I'm getting into the kitchen, and the first thing I do every single morning is make my athletic greens. I am so excited to be partnering up with AG1 for today's video because I've been using it for about a year and I have probably only missed 2 days. AG1 by Athletic Greens is a daily nutrient and gut support. If there's only one thing in a day I could take for my health, it would be AG1. So what I do is I grab the bottle and I fill it with water, and then I'm adding 1 scoop and some ice cubes. 1 scoop contains 75 of the highest quality minerals, vitamins, digestive enzymes, and probiotics. I will shake it until it all dissolves. I love to start my day with it because I know no matter what, I'm getting all the nutrients my body needs. It supports my sleep, energy, mood, immunity, hair, skin, and I notice a really big difference in my digestion. So many of you asked me what it tastes like, and to be completely honest, it does taste healthy, but I think with the ice cubes, it tastes really good. There's no garbage ingredients or other weird artificial sweeteners, what I really love. And the natural sweetness come from the pineapple extract. I recently learned on Huberman's podcast how beneficial it is to wait to have any caffeine after the first 2 hours you wake up to avoid a crash later in the day. So I love taking my AG1 first and then my matcha later. Even when I'm on the go traveling, I always take these travel packs with me. And I got a special link down below for you. If you sign up for AG1 now, you will get 5 travel packs and 1 year supply of vitamin D3 K2 for free. AG1 ships worldwide, so definitely check it out in the link down below. Then it's time for a little morning walk. Even if I am not working out, morning movement is a non-negotiable for me. Today I honestly don't have a lot of time, so it's just gonna be 10 minutes, but I will feel so much better. By this time, my phone is actually still in airplane mode. I don't like to be on social media or get any emails in the first hour that I wake up. I downloaded some podcasts so I can avoid taking my airplane mode off. It's been a huge game changer for my mental health and also my cortisol levels in the morning. I come back home and it's time for a quick stretch. This only takes 7 minutes and I just do some activation exercises. If you want to find more of these awakening stretches or with the foam roller, you can check them out on my fitness platform, Soul Sync Body. Then it's time to make some breakfast. First things first, I'm going to make my Nakahama matcha. Honestly, guys, I can without a doubt say there is no better tasting matcha out there. I always get so bummed when I see people drinking like dull, light yellowish, greenish, cheap matcha because not only does it taste bad, you really don't get all the health benefits. The L-theanine and chlorophyll and antioxidants are completely oxidized, so it doesn't really do anything for your body. For breakfast today, I'm going to make a chocolate avocado smoothie. I am adding half an avocado, some frozen spinach, coconut oil, almond milk, cinnamon, cacao powder, and some vanilla protein powder. I just got this protein powder from Ritual and I'm excited to try it for the first time. I always find it really hard to get good protein powders, to be honest, because a lot of them upset my stomach. I am also going to add some sea moss gel. This has become such a trendy new superfood and I'm so excited to try it. It contains loads of probiotics and contains so many minerals and vitamins. It has this like slimy texture and it's great to add in smoothies and yogurts. I blend everything up and my thick morning smoothie is ready. I actually really enjoy this protein powder that I just put in, so I can recommend. So here's where I start multitasking. While I have my breakfast and matcha, I take a few minutes to write in my journal. Then I turn on my phone and the messages and work emails will flow in. I start to respond to a few and I use my daily planner to plan and prioritize my day. I love to do this the night before, but I go over it in the morning again. Check in with Nakahama team and then I start my day. Honestly, Every morning looks slightly different and I feel I have a lot of steps, but one thing I've learned is that you can always do your best. And if you don't get all your steps or routines in, it will not ruin your day. Not every day will be perfect and not every day you will be able to do all the things you plan to do, and that is totally okay.
My morning routine. I hope you enjoy watching my morning routine. It is 8:45 right now and I am gonna go into work. I need to do some emails. I'm shooting some content and stuff and later filming some workouts. So a very busy day. If you enjoyed today's video, if you found the tip very helpful, then let me know in the comments down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and I will see you guys very soon.